Very good morning, my dear student. Let's start at chapter number 5, that is arithmetic progression. So student, before starting arithmetic progression, we discuss the simple terms related to arithmetic progression. First of all, what is the difference between progression and sequence? Then we will discuss what is the difference between sequence and series. So progression means a series which has a specific formula to calculate its nth term. What is it means? Means if I have a series like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is my series. This is my infinite series. Now if I want to calculate its 15th term, that is, this is my first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth, fifth, and I want to find out the 15th term of this series, then I have a formula. I have a direct formula. This is arithmetic progression. Then this is progression. But if I can't find out the formula, if I have not formula to find out the 15th term or 16th term, say nth term, then this is not a progression, then this will be sequence. Sequence and progression, which both will be follow the logical rule. Sequence will also follow the logical rule, but we cannot find the nth term by using the formula. For this we have to find all and each and every term. Say in this, in this we no need to find the 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th terms. We can directly find out the 15th term. But in sequence, like number of prime numbers, a sequence of prime numbers, say 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and if I want to find out its 20th term, I can't find the 20th term directly by using any formula. Then this is a sequence. This is the very basic difference between a progression and sequence. If you have a formula to find its nth term, then this is a progression. If you have not formula to find the nth term of a series, then this is a sequence. The sequence may be of like 2. I add in this 3 plus 2, that is 5. 5. Then I add in this 4, that is 9. Then I add 5, then this is become 15. This is also a sequence because this follows a logical rule. First we add 3, then we have add 4, then we add 5, then we will add 6. This is a sequence because this follow a logical rule. But this is not a progression, because in progression we have 3 types of progression. That is, first one is arithmetic progression, that is our chapter name, arithmetic progression. Then we have geometric progression, this is class 11th topic. And the third one is harmonic progression. Both these 2 chapters we will discuss in class 11. First is arithmetic progression, that is our chapter name, chapter 5th, that is arithmetic progression. Now, what is the difference between sequence and series? Sequence is arrangement of a number in a particular order. Like, if I have a order like this, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, you can say this is a sequence of odd number. Then this is a sequence. But if I write this sequence as a sum, like 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11, then this is called series. If I place comma here, then this is a sequence. If I place sign of plus, then this is series. It is defined as the sum of the elements of a sequence. So sequence will be arrangement of numbers in a particular order, or series will be the sum of the elements in a sequence. Now we will discuss arithmetic progression. The short form is AP. Arithmetic progression is a sequence of numbers such that the difference such that the difference of any two successive number is constant। मीन्स अगर मैं दो सक्सेसिव नंबर्स का डिफरेंस लेता हूं तो वो हर टाइम पे क्या होना चाहिए, सेम होना चाहिए। फॉर फर्स्ट टू टर्म, फॉर सेकंड टू टर्म, फॉर थर्ड टू टर्म, सबके लिए जो मेरा डिफरेंस होगा वो क्या होगा, सेम होगा। देन दिस विल बी द अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन। द डिफरेंस इज नोन एज कॉमन डिफरेंस। जो ये डिफरेंस है, लाइक लेट डिस्कस विद द एग्जांपल। से इफ आई हैव अ सीक्वेंस ऑफ 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, this is my sequence. Now if I calculate the difference between this, here the difference is 3. Now 8 minus 5, again 3, 11 minus 8, again 3, 14 minus 11, again 3. So this is a arithmetic progression because the difference between any two successive number is constant. If I take this two successive number, the difference is 3 and here this is also 3. So this is AP and this difference is known as common difference. This 3 is known as common difference and denoted by small d. This common difference can be positive, negative and 0. 0 आप एक बार इग्नोर कीजिए, ठीक है। अदरवाइज पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव दोनों हो सकता है। एपी में जो कॉमन डिफरेंस होता है वो क्या होता है, पॉजिटिव भी हो सकता है और नेगेटिव भी हो सकता है। स्टूडेंट इससे पहले एक चीज और है, देखिए फाइनाइट सीरीज और इनफाइनाइट सीरीज का मतलब क्या होता है। फाइनाइट सीरीज और इनफाइनाइट सीरीज, अगर तो किसी सीरीज में नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स हैं वो फाइनाइट है, मींस नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स फिक्स हैं, 10 है, 15 है, 5 है, 6 है, देन दिस इज फाइनाइट सीरीज। और इफ द सीरीज इज इनफाइनाइट, मींस देयर इज अ नो लिमिट ऑन द नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स इन द सीरीज, देन दिस इज इनफाइनाइट सीरीज। नाउ व्हाट इज द जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ एपी? My first term is A. If my first term is A, then the second term will be A plus D, where D is common difference. I will add the D, common difference in first term, and then I will add common difference in the second term, then D plus D, means A plus D plus D, this will become 2D, and this is my third term, and fourth term will be A plus 3D, and so on. This will become the general form of AP. स्टूडेंट इसी को ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on and AN. AN means nth term. N may be 6, N may be 7, 10, 15, 50. Then this is nth term, where A is first term, and in this A1 is first term, A2 is second term, A3 is third term, and D is common difference. Now our first question is, for the AP 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on, write the first term A and the common difference D. Student, for first term, this is the first term. So my first term A is 3 and common difference will be A2 minus A1, और से A3 minus A2, या फिर AN minus AN minus 1। अगर आपको D निकालना है, मीन्स कॉमन डिफरेंस निकालना है, तो आप कंसेक्यूटिव टर्म का डिफरेंस ले लीजिए, A2 minus A1। ये ध्यान रखना है कि यहाँ पे जो नंबर आएगा ये बड़ा आएगा, मीन्स AN then AN minus 1. This will be the formula. Now here common difference D will be 9 minus 6, that is 3, or you can also find 6 minus 3, that is also 3. So common difference is 3 and first term is also 3. Now write first 4 terms of AP. write first four term of AP when the first term A and the common difference D is given as follows. आपको यहाँ पे फर्स्ट टर्म दे रखी है, सो फर्स्ट फोर टर्म आपको फाइंड करनी है. तो A1 is 10. Now for A2 the second term will be A1 plus D. Now A1 is 10 plus D is given 10. This will become 20. And my third term will be A2 plus D, or we can say A1 plus 2D. You can also write here A1 plus 2D. By using A2 plus D, this will become 20 plus D, that is 10. This will become 30. Or if we use A1 plus 2D, this will become 10 plus 2 into 10. This again become 30. And A4 will be A3 plus D. This is A3, that is 30, and D is 10. So this will become 40. So first term is 10, second term is 20, third term is 30, and fourth term is 40. And we are asked to find the first four term of AP. We can write the, if we ask to write the term in the form of AP, then we write it as 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on. Similarly, you can do this question, the second part, that is here A1 is, in this A1 is minus 2 and D is 0. So for A2 this will become A1 plus D, that is minus 2 plus 0. This will become again minus 2. Similarly A3 will be minus 2, A4 will be minus 2. Now the third question is, in which the following situation does the list of the numbers involved and make an arithmetic progression, and why? And the first part is the taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is ₹15 for the first kilometer and ₹8 for the each additional kilometer. Now my A1 is, means for first kilometer my cost will be, fare will be 15, and for additional 1 kilometer the cost will be ₹8. Means for second kilometer, that is A2, for 2 kilometer the cost will be A1 plus this 8 for extra 1 kilometer, that this will become 23. And for the third, this will become A1 plus 2 times D, that is common difference. So A1 is 15 plus twice of D, that is 8, and this will become 15 plus 16, that is 31. So this is in the form of AP. Hence 15 first term, second term is 23, and the third term is 31, and so on. So this is arithmetic, in arithmetic progression. Okay students, thank you and have a nice day.